Welcome back, Kuradangerz. Thank you for visiting. So today we got another set of sexy see-through lingerie, mga kadangs. Are you excited? So before we are going to proceed to another year, 2022, we are going to have our another series nga of sexy lingerie, mga kadangs. Nakasubscribe ka ba? Let's go na! For our first lingerie is this color brown nude panty. It has a big ribbon on the front and it is a mesh. That is why this is so very see-through in the front, and it has a string design also. This is the back detail of our lingerie. As you can see, it is very nice, lacy, see-through detail. Very good quality yung lace niya, mga kadangs. And this is so very affordable see-through lingerie. That is why I highly recommend this design of lingerie. This is our second lingerie. As you can see, this is so very sexy and it is very nice in color. Pink. It has a pearl bling on its side, mga kadangs. Super nice design. Alright. So, as you can see, mga kadangs, meron siyang perlas ng silanganan, and it is also a lace in front, mga kadangs, which is very see-through din, mga kadangs. And look at that sexiness. It is uncovered lingerie, and it is also a G-string. So this is the back design of our lingerie, mga kadangs. As you can see, this is so very sexy. Humandang mga almoranas natin dyan, mga kadangs. This is so tibak lingerie, mga kadangs. So, diba? Ang sexy, sexy, sexy.